Hello friends, welcome to Solid Edge tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to learn Solid Edge revolve command, Solid Edge loft command and Solid Edge pattern command. For that we will create one 3D model of a propeller. So let's start. New isometric part. This is the synchronous environment of Solid Edge and we are learning in ordered mode. For that right click on synchronous and take a last option, transition to ordered. Now this is the ordered mode. So we will start to our video. Click on revolve command, select plane to create sketch, top plane, take line, start from origin. This is first line, draw a vertical line and one more horizontal line. To convert from line to arc, just press A. It will convert from line to arc and connect this arc to this line end. Escape. Let's dimension this. Smart dimension. Length of vertical line is 75 mm and first horizontal line is 425 mm. Second horizontal line is 300 mm. Now we are in a revolve command. For that we need to assign axis of revolution. If we try to close sketch, it will get error. Revolve feature must have an axis of revolution. For that we will assign the axis of revolution. Click on axis of revolution and assign the axis. So this is the axis of revolution. Close sketch. Now define angle of revolution. Our angle is 360. So finish, cancel. This is the first command we have learned here, revolve command. Now we will use loft command to create blade of this propeller. So for loft command we need two sketches. For that we will create one by one. So sketch, select top plane, take a rectangle by 3 point, rectangle by 3 point. This is first point, second point and third point. Let's dimension this rectangle. Smart dimension, select a line. It is showing vertical and horizontal distances, but we need here incline length of the line. For that just press shift and we will get the incline length of the line. So this length will be 250 mm and this will be 12 mm. Now use vertical and horizontal command. Select origin and midpoint of the line. Distance from origin to this end point is 275 mm and angle from horizontal is 16 degree. So this will be 16 degree. Close sketch, finish, cancel. This is the sketch number 1 and we will add one more plane parallel to this sketch plane, so that we can use a loft command. For that click on parallel plane, select top plane and distance of this plane is 350. So this is added plane number 4. Sketch, select plane, take a rectangle by 3 point, first point, second point and third point. Smart dimension, press shift, length of the line is of 350 mm. Distance from origin is 235 and same vertical horizontal command. Angle from horizontal is 60 degree. This is sketch number 2. Close sketch. Finish. Cancel. Now take a loft command. Loft protrusion. Select sketch number 1 and sketch number 2 and preview. Finish. Cancel. Now this is the loft command we have used here. Hide the sketches. Plane. Now take a round command and select the edges of this, and radius will be 135 mm. Preview and finish. Cancel. Once again take a round and radius, now radius will be 5 mm. Select the edges, all edges of this. Click OK. Preview and finish. Cancel. Now this is the one blade of this propeller. Now we will use pattern command to make more blades on this shaft. So click on features to pattern, that is protrusion 1, round and round 2. Click on pattern command. Select plane or face. Define origin point and select direction to pattern. Select here, enter here count and close sketch. So these are the blades of this propeller. As per my requirement, if I want to increase the blades on this propeller, for that modify this pattern command. Just click on this pattern 1 and take the first option, edit definition, and click on this pattern sketch and just change the number of count, that is I want 5 counts, and enter. So here will be 5 blades on this propeller shaft. Now we will color this propeller. Go to view tab, click on part painter, select style. I have selected violet, and replace style. Select body, clothes, shaded, and this is our propeller. I hope you have learned something new and enjoyed this video. For more updated videos, please like, share and subscribe channel. Thank you.